Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Moe's Southwest Grill app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Moe's Southwest Grill app is designed to make ordering your favorite Tex-Mex meals faster, easier, and more rewarding. Available on both iOS and Android, the app allows users to browse the full menu, customize burritos, tacos, bowls, and quesadillas, and place pickup or delivery orders directly from their phone. It also integrates with Moe Rewards, the brand's loyalty program, letting users earn points with every purchase that can be redeemed for free food and special offers. The app's main highlight is the Moe Rewards system. For every dollar spent, users collect points that lead to free entrées and exclusive discounts. You'll also get a free burrito on your birthday and periodic bonus points promotions. In addition, users can locate nearby Moe's restaurants, view nutritional details, and save favorite orders for quick reordering. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users praise the app for its smooth ordering process, customization options, and reliable reward tracking. The real-time order updates and quick pickup system make it convenient for busy customers. However, some users have reported occasional login glitches, app crashes, or delays in reward updates after in-store purchases. The delivery experience may also vary depending on your local Moe's partner services. In summary, the Moe's Southwest Grill app may be worth using if you're a regular Moe's customer who loves Tex-Mex food and wants to save money through rewards and offers. However, if you don't visit often or prefer to order through general delivery apps, its benefits might feel limited. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.